Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Villamizar and I will talk about my project entitled IoT, the future of the technology in our homes and industry. Definition of the concept Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the interconnection of physical and everyday objects with the Internet. Through the integration of sensors, software, and connectivity, this smart device collect and share data allowing remote control and monitoring. Characteristics of the Internet of Things. Connectivity. Device must connect to the network to be able to interact with users and other devices or systems. For this purpose, they mainly use Wi-Fi connections, although they may also use other types of access such as Ethernet or Bluetooth. Sensitivity. Through sensors, the device can detect motion, temperature, and other parameters. Interactions. IoT use an interface and communication system to establish the necessary relationship between people, device, and the physical world. Security. The equipment or devices are connected to the network transmitting and receiving data, so they must have security means to protect and guarantee their integrity and privacy. The most common applications of IoT technologies in Colombia and industry. IoT has enormous potential to transform Colombian industry and homes, driving innovation, efficiency, and quality of life. Agriculture. Crop sensors monitor humidity, temperature, and nutrients, optimizing irrigation and fertilizer use. Smart cities. Sensors in streets and buildings measure traffic, lights, and pollution, improving efficiency and quality of life. Health. Wearable devices record vital signs and physical activity data, enabling remote health monitoring. Industry. Sensors in machinery predict failures, optimizing production and reducing maintenance cost. Logistics. Sensors in vehicles and packages track their location and status, improving efficiency in the supply chain. Homes. Smart devices control appliance, lighting, and security, creating more comfortable and safer homes. Now, we will watch a couple of videos to better understand the technologies of the Internet of Things.
The Internet of Things has the potential to increase global productivity up to 25% by 2025, which could translate to an economic value of $11 trillion. Industries like manufacturing are embracing the potential of the Internet of Things. Many production facilities are already using processes and supervisory control systems with connectivity. The Internet of Things for manufacturing is a family of solutions that combines the capabilities of analytics, cognitive computing, and the Watson Internet of Things platform to drive operational efficiency across the factory value chain. This solution benefits the manufacturing industry in three main ways. First, it helps plants get 100% efficiency out of their equipment by identifying and solving issues before they cause delays. Second, it makes processes and operations cognitive, so plants can produce maximum quality and yield from raw materials and manufactured components. Lastly, it helps plant managers better manage resources, improve worker expertise, and provide a safe working environment. Advances in these three areas define a new wave of connected manufacturing, one that revolves around things, process, and people. Let's take a look at how this works for Simon, the plant manager for an aircraft manufacturer. Simon oversees the production of key components for large commercial aircraft, and his top priorities are meeting production deadlines and producing airplane parts safely and efficiently. One of his biggest clients needs to move up their delivery date by 3 months. Simon and his team use the Internet of Things for manufacturing, which will help them deliver earlier than originally planned. An equipment analytics solution identifies problems with equipment health and performance before they happen and prescribes maintenance procedures so Simon's team can avoid equipment failure and downtime, getting maximum effectiveness out of their equipment. To ensure the components are meeting quality standards along the production line, Simon uses a quality analytics tool to identify variability in the manufacturing process in real time. This allows equipment operators to make adjustments to process parameters based on plant conditions that could affect the quality of production. By monitoring quality in real time, Simon's team can avoid producing faulty components, ultimately saving time and money. Another priority Simon has to account for under a rush schedule is the safety of his plant workers. The cognitive IoT platform includes worker safety technology that monitors things like exposure to extreme heat or toxic gas, open flames, and operating dangerous machinery. The plant workers wear sensors in their helmets and wristbands that provide real-time alerts on working conditions, activating preventative measures if physical well-being is compromised or safety procedures have not been applied. Because the platform allows Simon to track all of this Internet of Things data in real time, he can be confident that the production equipment, tools, and employees will be able to safely take on an accelerated schedule and make plans to move forward. Once the completed aircraft from Simon's plant is put to use, those manufactured parts continue to generate data over time, data that designers and engineers can use to make improvements and updates to each part in the future. Additional sensors also make it possible for Simon's plant to offer cognitive solutions to the airline to help with ongoing predictive maintenance of each manufactured part. Using the power of the Internet of Things paired with cognitive computing and analytics, companies across all industries will improve the way they design and manufacture connected products. Products that will change the way we work and live.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going into some real-life examples of how IoT blends seamlessly into our daily lives. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more IoT videos. Now let's start with parking. Finding a parking spot in a crowded city can be a nightmare. That's why people turn to third-party apps for finding spots. But did you know those parking apps are all IoT enabled? For example, Parkopedia helps you find available spots in real time, all from the comfort of your smartphone. And how does it do that? Well, there are sensors embedded in parking spaces that detect whether they're occupied or vacant. These sensors then communicate wirelessly with the app, providing real-time updates. Another everyday example making use of these sensors is waste management. Overflowing trash bins are not only unsightly, but also a health hazard. IoT-powered smart waste bins use sensors to monitor their fill level, alerting waste management services when it's time for collection. It's a cleaner, more efficient way to keep cities tidy. Then there are smart streetlights equipped with sensors that detect ambient light levels and adjust their brightness accordingly. This helps save energy and reduce light pollution. It also creates safer and more welcoming streets for pedestrians and cyclists. When it comes to getting around town, IoT is revolutionizing public transportation. Real-time tracking systems like NextBus use a network of sensors and GPS technology to provide commuters with up-to-the-minute information about bus and train arrivals, helping you to plan your journey more efficiently and reducing wait times. And for those who prefer 2 wheels over 4, IoT-enabled bike-sharing systems offer a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around. You can locate and unlock bikes using your smartphone, making bike-sharing accessible to everyone, from daily commuters to casual riders. But the benefits of IoT extend beyond individual transportation modes. Smart traffic management systems use data from cameras, sensors, and connected vehicles to optimize signal timing, reduce congestion, and improve traffic flow, keeping cities moving smoothly. IoT technology even plays a vital role in environmental monitoring and sustainability. Sensors placed throughout urban areas measure air quality, pollution levels, and noise levels, providing valuable data to city planners and policymakers for improving public health and quality of life. From smart homes to transportation systems, environmental sensors, and beyond, IoT technology is seamlessly integrating into every aspect of our lives, making our world smarter, more efficient, and more connected. Thanks for watching. Let us know what IoT video you'd like to see next in the comments below.
Finally, I will talk about IoT companies in Colombia. IoT Latam provides and integrates the latest technologies of EOE, IoT, IIoT, and M2M at low cost. It is the most expensive in the experiences in the region in new technologies for IoT together with the world-leading hardware and software partners since 2018. Colcircuitos, the most important and complete electronics manufacturing companies in South America, being the first Colombian electronics manufacturing company to be a member of the Association Connecting Electronic Industry (IPC), whose objective is to standardize the requirements for electronic assembly and manufacturing. Sigfox is a worldwide cellular connectivity network focused on the Internet of Things (IoT). This network is designed for low-speed communication, allowing to reduce cost and energy consumption of connected devices. In addition, apart from being low-speed, communication is also based on a very narrow band, which allow device to have a high penetration power to obstacles, facilitating communication over long distance, even in urban areas. Conclusions and statistical data. It's estimated that by 2027, approximately 20 billion devices will be connected under the IoT banner, according to projections by the analyst firm IoT Analytics. This consulting firm reported that by the end of 2022, there were already 14 billion IoT devices in operation. Currently, Colombia has the challenge and the opportunity to take advantage of this change of era, identified as the fourth industrial revolution, in which physical, digital, and biological systems converge. Another challenge observed is to reduce barriers to invest in digital technologies, adopt technology-neutral frameworks that promote competition, establish global technical standards that enable interoperability and secure, stable, open, and accessible Internet, and increase the speed of the Internet. Otherwise, the adoption of big data, data hosting in the cloud, the use of cognitive intelligence, and other emerging technologies will be limited. This is all. Thank you for your attention.